Hi, I'm Simon Wocka, Regional Sales Manager for Pixitmedia. We're here today on the IBC booth for 2025 with Grass Valley. Very, very excited because we're integrating with AMP. And on this particular occasion, we're sharing how we're integrating with Framelight X. We're taking those ISO feeds and using our storage platform and orchestration layer, we're actually moving those blocks of data and moving all of those live feeds to any location around the world. The reason this is really relevant is because it helps reduce the impact of people being shipped around the world. It reduces infrastructure cost shipment, and it also is a sustainability play because it's reducing carbon footprint. You can actually make those files available in the Premiere Pro panel from the Adobe and GV. And therefore, we can have collaborative editors using all of that live content coming in and making separate packages for highlights, for social push, and delivering out to whoever they need. You can even take a live clean mix feed and put it out onto a near live playout for a +1 or a fast channel. It's just a real efficient system, and we're really excited to be working with Grass Valley this year.